Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this Samsung. Begin by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down just a bit and click on Display section. In it, select Font Size and Style, and finally swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. When you're ready, go back. As you can see, after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!